Good evening, all. My name is Dr. Sohail. I'm working as assistant professor at Government Mahindra College, Patiala. It's a late evening of December 31st, and I'm very pleased to meet Professor Rafi. It was a pleasant surprise to meet him. He's a wonderful person and contributed immensely to the higher education landscape of Punjab and worked for almost 4 decades in higher education as a professor. So during our discussion, Professor came up with an idea to shoot a video discussing about the meaning of public administration, the subject that I'm teaching at Government Mahindra College, Patiala. So Professor asked me to discuss the meaning in a very layman's language. So asked me to, describe it to a layperson who doesn't have any understanding of public administration. So I discussed the idea that while during the first introductory class of public administration, I usually say these things to all those students who usually don't have background of public administration in their schools. So we say that they might have at some point of time heard the word government, even if they don't have social sciences background. So basically in public administration, we try to make them understand about the working of the government, how actually government works. So the first thing that we ask them that if you have heard about the word government, then you might have heard about the objective of government. So even if you don't have any understanding of it, so if anything comes to your mind that for what purpose government actually works. So most of them, they start saying that there are certain services that the government provide and certain things that are useful for the citizens, and some of them they always refer to the idea of welfare, lok palai ke sarkar jehdi hai wo lok palai li kam karti hai, and that's the beginning point from where we start discussing the meaning of public administration. So that's a basic purpose for which a government works, any government. So with that idea that the objective of government is public welfare, anything that the government does to achieve that purpose is basically the subject matter of public administration. Public administration as a word, it consists of two different words, public and administration. And we say that public here doesn't mean people or citizens. Public here is government. It actually discusses the scope or locus standi of administration, which administration we are talking about. So here the word public actually refers government. Administration, which comes from a Greek word or Latin word, I'm confusing a bit with it. So administration is basically to look after, to manage. So how government manages its affairs to achieve its objective of public welfare, all those things we discuss under public administration. And we usually say that public administration is a very applied subject, and every person at any age or at any point of time get to have an interaction with public administration. We usually give this example that